Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Telegram last seen even if hidden. So let's open up the Telegram application and you can always see anyone else's last seen by tapping on this pencil icon, and then you will see all your contacts and you can see it sorted by who was on the app most recently, and down at the very bottom people that were on the app a long time ago. So you can see some of them are recently, and then at the very bottom some of them are at the very bottom lasting a long time ago. Now any of these different ones potentially they have hidden when they were last online, so they have made it so that maybe you can see when they are last online but no one can see their last online. There is a trick to be able to find that information out though. You can always go to chats, and for instance you can open up any conversation and you can see at the very top here it's last seen a long time ago, but maybe he just turned that feature off. You can also just basically tap and hold on the message here, and you can see if it is has two little check marks. That's an indication that it has both been delivered as well as read. So keep in mind, read receipts or someone marking it as read when they view a message is different from when they were last seen online. So you can always open up a conversation with someone and see if they read that specific message even though it's showing as offline or they are not sharing when they were last online. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.